Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you 4 easy and delicious meal prep breakfast recipes that all cost under $10 to make. So each recipe does have 5 servings, so you'll be able to meal prep them from Monday to Friday. So just a little disclaimer, I am based in Canada, specifically in Ontario. So all my calculations are made in Canadian dollars. Right now, 10 Canadian dollars comes out to, I believe, just under $8 USD. And another disclaimer, I do live in a higher cost of living area, so what I pay $10 for, you might pay less than that. So just something to keep in mind. And without further ado, I hope you enjoy these recipes. So our first recipe is PB&J Chia overnight oats. To start, you're going to want to add in 5 tablespoons of peanut butter. If you want to use smooth peanut butter or crunchy peanut butter, that is fine. Next, you want to add half of your 5 cups of milk. If you prefer almond milk, you can use that, but that will bring your budget up. Now you're going to want to give your liquid a mix, breaking down the peanut butter. That way it's more like a peanut butter infused milk. Next, add in 2.5 cups of rolled oats, 10 tablespoons of chia seeds, then you're going to want to add in the rest of your milk and start mixing everything together. Let everything sit for 5 minutes so it thickens up a little before adding them to your mason jars. Next, layer in 1 tablespoon of jam per mason jar. I like to layer mine in the middle just so it's easier to mix in the morning, or you can just put it on top and then stir it in later. Store overnight in the fridge. And this is how it should look in the morning. It should have thickened. Up next are these freezer-friendly blueberry oatmeal cups. To start, add 3 cups of whole rolled oats into a bowl. Next, add 1.5 cups of milk, half a cup of honey, then half a cup of frozen blueberries, and then 2 whole eggs. Stir until everything is combined. Next, add your mixture into a lightly greased lined muffin tin tray. This recipe makes 12 exactly, so it's usually around 2 scoops per liner. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Our third meal prep is a breakfast sausage bowl. To start, place 10 sausages onto a wired rack on top of a sheet pan and then give them all a couple of pricks. Next, dice up 3 russet potatoes and 1 roughly chopped red onion. Add them to a sheet pan and try not to lose any like I did. Drizzle on 2 tablespoons of olive oil along with salt and pepper to taste. Now mix everything together with your hands and try to spread it out onto the sheet pan in a single even layer. Bake for 30 minutes at 400 degrees, flipping the sausage halfway through as well as stirring the potatoes. Once the sausages are done, take it out and continue to bake the potatoes for another 20 to 30 minutes on 450. Make sure you keep an eye on it and pull out any red onions that look like they're about to burn. Now divide everything up into 5 meal prep containers. And lastly, we have these diner-style breakfast bowls. Dice up 3 russet potatoes and add them to a sheet pan. Drizzle in around 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. Mix everything together with your hands. Bake in a 450-degree oven for around 50 minutes. For the scrambled eggs, add 7 eggs to a bowl and whisk until they are combined. On medium heat in a non-stick pan, melt your butter, add your eggs, add some salt, and stir until the eggs are scrambled. Once the potatoes are cooled, you can start assembling your bowls. Divide 1 cup of salsa and 1 cup of shredded cheese alongside with the potatoes and the scrambled eggs into 5 bowls. And there you have it, 4 meal prep recipes under $10 each with 5 servings per recipe. If you're looking for the printable versions of these recipes, you can find them linked down below on my website. And if you liked this video, I really would appreciate if you clicked on the like button and subscribe for new videos. Until next time, bye!